Hey guys, today Gwen and I will be explaining tangent versus normal lines, and later in the video we will be using an example that utilizes both. The derivative of a function has many applications to problems in calculus. It may be used in curve sketching, solving maximum and minimum problems, solving distance, velocity, and acceleration problems, solving related rate problems, and approximating function values. The derivative of a function at a point is the slope of the tangent line at this point. The normal line is defined as the line that is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. Because the slopes of perpendicular lines, neither of which is vertical, are negative reciprocals of one another, the slope of the normal line to the graph of f of x is negative 1 over f prime of x.
So we're starting with an example that includes both of these concepts. The tangent to y equals 2x plus 4 over x squared at point P has a gradient of 1. That's the information we'll need, and then we'll go through the various steps that you use in order to get the information. So, step 1. The most important thing you have to do first is to find point P. Then you use that information to find the equation of the tangent line, and then to finally find the equation of the normal line. Once you've done all three of those things, we'll have all the information that we need. So let's get started. The equation that we're going to be using at the start of this problem is one that has already undergone the power rule. So our original equation was y equals 2x plus 4 over x squared, and in order to find point P, we're going to be using 2 minus 8x to the negative third. From there, you plug in 1 because the information told us that the gradient is 1, and you solve by simplifying. So the answer becomes 1/8 equals x to the negative third, which eventually turns into 2 equals x and y equals 5. So we know our point is at 2, 5. So our second step is all about solving the equation of the tangent line. So we're going to be using the classic equation formula, which is y equals mx plus b. We're going to be plugging in the information that we just got, which is that the point is 2, 5, and our goal is to find out what b is. Once we simplify the equation, we eventually find out that the answer is that b equals 3. That means that our full equation equals y equals x plus 3. Now we're going to be following essentially the same steps, but our goal is to find the equation of the normal line instead of the tangent line. In order to do that, we're going to be using the negative inverse of the slope. But we're using the same formula, y equals mx plus b. We're plugging in our point values, but this time our slope slash gradient is negative 1 instead of positive 1. From there, we simplify, and we get 5 equals negative 2 plus b, which eventually tells us that b is 7, and our final equation is y equals negative x plus 7.